have you noticed thinning hair? Well, we have a couple treatments that can help restore your hair growth, make it thicker, longer, healthier. And one of those treatments is called PRP, or Platelet-Rich Plasma, which is where we draw your blood, we spin it down, we take the platelets, and we can inject them all over your scalp. And the platelets will signal to your stem cells to migrate to wherever we put them, and they will become new tissue just like the target. So it helps the hair follicles regenerate. Now, if the hair follicles are dead, they're not bringing back bald. We can't bring back bald spots or hair in bald spots, or if you've never had their hair there, we can't make you have new hair. But if the hair follicles are suffering, if you're getting older or you have other reasons for hair loss, PRP is a great option. Today we're doing it just a little bit different, and we're doing PRP with our new treatment called Scarlet, and it is a microneedling radiofrequency device. So instead of injecting all the platelets in, we are going to basically stamp them in. And Scarlet itself can stimulate hair growth. So we're combining PRP with Scarlet, so two different ways to stimulate your hair in the same appointment. So I've already cleansed our patient's head. I'm going to put some platelet pore plasma all over his scalp, and that will just help serve for more nutrition and getting any of the benefits that even the platelet pore plasma has, because there's still some platelets floating around in there. And then we're going to start stamping with our platelet-rich plasma. So I'm going to start just right up here. Hold on. Let me put a little bit of my platelet-rich plasma on my little cotton ball, and we'll get started. Are you ready? He's going to say, yeah. I'm so excited. Okay.
Gonna do it clear up front?
Huh?
You do it clear up front, huh?
I'm going to start right up here. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. How's that?
Well, not great, but...
Not great, but maybe it's easier than the other kind of injecting. Sometimes, it can be a little uncomfortable. But the nice thing about microneedling with radiofrequency is you're getting all those little baby needles in there, and then there's energy that they elude when they go in, the little needles. So you're getting stimulation in multiple different ways. So it's a very simple procedure, and it helps to tighten the skin also, as it stimulates hair growth. We can use this anywhere, under the eyes, or anywhere on the face, or any area of the skin. Hold on a second. Sometimes it gets a little ahead of me. Needles coming down. They're right here. These are the little needles, such little baby needles. So it's fairly simple procedure. I can say that because it's not happening to me. But if you are uncomfortable, we can always use laughing gas. But again, a way to tighten the scalp, tighten your skin anywhere there's skin laxity, and help stimulate hair growth. So if you want to find out more, please go to our website, and you can learn all about Scarlet and her sister Agnes. You can find out about PRP for hair growth. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us, like us, and most importantly, come and see us at Rejuvenation MD.